Yeah, hi, morning, Tunmore Leisure. This is Market FMAV. Just to let you know that we've done your laser for you, your jukebox laser. I've given it a good clean out as well because it was really gummy. So yeah, it's obviously done some hard time. Yeah, I've put another laser in there for you. I've had it spinning up over the weekend, not showing any problems or errors on the discs. So I'll just turn this up for you. So yeah, you can see it running there nicely. The part is, it's in good condition. The cogs ain't that worn, but they were quite crapped up. So I don't know. It don't look to me like it's been in a smoky pub anyway. Most of them usually thick with yellow stuff, but yeah, it's all working as it should be anyway. So I'll get that bagged up and in the post to you. This is just for your records anyway. So this was the 1254 part that you sent me up. The one that I said was the extra. So yeah, you got a 6-month warranty on that, on the laser and parts what we've put in. But also I want to sort of say thank you very much for your business. And if you want to buy more repairs or bits or whatever you need, we can work out a deal for you as your trade. And we're happy to take whatever business you can give us, and obviously we can give you longer warranties and all sorts of things. Just drop us a line and we'll have a chat. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much for that, and speak to you soon.